Hi guys! So in this video, I will teach you how to fix CapCut template not showing in TikTok. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure that your TikTok app is updated. To update it, click on Play Store and search for TikTok. If your TikTok is already on the latest version, you will see this. So if it's on the latest version, open it. And as you can see, the video here does not have CapCut template. So to fix this, you need to search CapCut on TikTok. CapCut. You will see here a lot of templates that have CapCut in them. So let's click one. Now you can see that there's a CapCut template in here. Just click on that. Click on a video that you want to edit. Now that it's done loading, you will see here the CapCut icon, and you can now edit your videos from CapCut and upload it to TikTok. So I hope this video helped you a lot. This has been How to Search. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of content. Follow for more.